Hello everyone, my name is JamHam56, and today we are gonna drive. We're gonna drive all over the place, yeah. No. Get out of here, no one needs you. So I just thought I'd cut out my camera. Also, sorry about the Imaginarium video. The only reason it was like that is because my camera glitched. I did record the right way, just said it thought I was recording the other way, so it messed up. And I can't get it back. Wait a second. I need to go to the airport. Yeah. I gotta do a glitch. I love glitches in this game, it's so fun. If you have this game, you know how good glitches can be. And pretty much all of them above this. Oh my gosh! Okay. I'm coming, mommy. Wait. Yeah. Oh no. Swag like a boss. Okay. And here's the first glitch. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to go uphill, but you can't. Yep, you can. But what I am gonna do is this. Wait a second. Did I even say that this was the 12 subscribe special? I don't think I did. But anyway, that's what it is. In case I forgot to say it. Okay, I think I did. Oh, it's okay. Just made it. Just so you guys know, these blocks eventually turn to the void. But look at this. I can't go through. Which is kind of bad, since I need to get to the airport. And when you go up here, this just happens. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a risk here. Nothing happened. Oh, baby. Wait. Oh, dang it. Yes! I'm flying through the world. That's glitching so hard. Oh. Yeah, that just happens. Oh, we have another glitch, which involves respawning. Ow. Okay, it didn't work. Right? Driving is so hard. Yeah, now it's super hard. Woohoo, I got it! Yeah. Now what you gotta do?
So delicious.
Can I skip it now? I hate you. Dude, I don't care. Wait, I gotta do something. Oh, what? That's bad. Yes, it's working. Yeah. Oh, there's like 3 cars in a line right now. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Hey, no, I see that. Yeah, I see that, you fools. Nice try. I'll drive away before they call the cops. Yes. Oh my gosh. He's mad. Run. Okay. Over the fence. Ow, I wrecked my car. You're right away. Swag. I have swagger. Okay. This is a challenge I made up. I have to get back to the city without breaking these things. Why not go into the airport so I can do it? Okay. I'm here. Gonna do the challenge. Alright. Check my time. Okay. Yes, swag. Man, I so owned. I wrecked that floor. Sorry, I said owned. I meant wrecked. You know me. I always forget to have my Mountain Dew vitamins. Woohoo! That's a glitch everyone knows. Well, that's it for this video, everyone. See you all in the next.